Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set how long it takes for a continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold on your keyboard is done. So how do you go about enable this or set this? You want to do a swipe up and go to your settings, guys, then click on general management, then from here click on your Samsung keyboard settings, then scroll down, guys, to where you'll find the option that says swipe touch and feedback. Now from here you have the option that says keyboard touch and hold delay. So that's how you find it. So you tap on that, and from here you can see that you have short, which is 2 milliseconds there, and you also have 3, 5, and you can do custom. So if you want to make this very short, you can tap on that, or if you want to make it long, you can also tap on that, or if you want to do custom, you can click in that and you can set how many seconds you want that to be, right, by spinning around your finger on and on and on and on and on, and then click on save, and that will save it and you will have that set under the custom, right? But I will keep it at the medium there, and that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.